Good morning, students. This is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School, SDSTPS, AP Genco, Neltur. In this video, we are going to learn some examples related to exercise 2 in chapter 2, linear equation in one variable. Example 3. If L is parallel to M, then find the value of X. Solution. Here L is parallel to M and P is transversal. Since the line P intersect the other two lines are L and M at different places. Therefore, 3x plus 20 plus 5x minus 8 whole degree is equal to 180 degree. Since the sum of the interior angles on the same side of a transversal. 3x plus 20 degree plus 5x minus 8 degree is equal to 180 degree. Add the like terms. 3x plus 5x is equal to 8x. 20 minus 8 is equal to 12. That is equal to 180 degree. 8x is equal to 180 degree minus 12 degree. Since transposing 12 to the right side of the equation, 8x is equal to 168. Here transposing 8 to the right side of the equation. Therefore, x is equal to 168 by 8. Here cancelled 168 by 8, we will get 21 degree. Therefore, x value is 21 degree. Example 4. Sum of two numbers is 29 and one number exceeds another number by 5. Find the numbers. Solution. We have a puzzle here. We don't know the numbers. We have to find them. So, let the smaller number is x, then bigger number is x plus 5. But it is given that the sum of these two numbers is 29 according to the problem. Therefore, x plus 5 is equal to 29. Add the like terms. X and x is equal to 2x plus 5 is equal to 29. Transposing 5 to the right side of the equation. That is 2x is equal to 29 minus 5. That is 2x is equal to 24. Transposing to right side of the equation. X is equal to 24 by 2. Here 24 is divisible by 2. We will get x is equal to 12. Therefore, smaller number is, that is equal, x is equal 12 and bigger number is x plus 5. Substitute the x value. 12 plus 5, that is equal to 17. Example 5. 4 times a number reduced by 5 equals 19. Find the number. Solution. If the number is taken to be x, then 4 times of a number is 4x. When it is reduced by 5, it is equal to 19. That implies 4x minus 5, that is equal to 19. Transposing minus 5 to the right side of the equation. 4x is equal to 19 plus 5. We know minus becomes plus. 4x is equal to 24. Transposing 4 to the right side of the equation. X is equal to 24 by 4. Here 24 is divisible by 4. We will get 6. Therefore, required number is 6. Example 6. The length of a rectangle shaped park exceeds its breadth by 17 meters. If the perimeter of the park is 178 meters, find the dimensions of the park. Solution. Let the breadth of the park is x meters. Then length of the park is x plus 17 meters. Since the length is 17 meters more than its breadth, therefore perimeter of the park is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. We know perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Next step, substitute length and breadth values. That is equal to 2 into x plus 17 plus x into meters. That implies 2 into, add the x plus x, that is equal to 2x plus 17 into meters. but it is given that the perimeter of the rectangle is 178 meters. Therefore, 2 into 2x plus 17 is equal to 178. Here, multiple 2x plus 17 with 2, that is equal 4x plus 34, that is equal 178. Transposing 34 to the right side of the equation, that is 4x is equal to 178 minus 34, that implies 4x is equal to 144. Transposing 4 to the right side of the equation, x is equal to 144 by 4. Here 144 is divisible by 4, we will get 36. Therefore, breadth of the park is 36 meters, length of the park is 36 plus 17, that is equal to 53 meters. Example 7. Two supplementary angles differ by 34. Then find the angles. Solution. Let the smaller angle is x degree. Since the two angles differ by 4, therefore bigger angle is equal to x plus 34. Since the sum of the supplementary angles is 180 degree, so x plus 34 is equal to 180 degree. Add x and x, that is equal to 2x plus 34 is equal to 180 degree. Transposing 34 to the right side of the equation, that is 2x is equal to 180 minus 34, that implies 2x is equal to 146 degree. Transposing to right side of the equation, x is equal to 146 degree by 2. Here 146 is divisible by 2, then get x value is 73 degree. Therefore, smaller angle is 73 degree and bigger angle is x plus 34, that is equal 73 plus 34, that is equal 107 degree. Example 8. The present age of Vijaya's mother is 4 times the present age of Vijaya. After 6 years, the sum of their ages will be 62 years. Find their present ages. Solution. Let present age of Vijaya is x years. Her mother age is 4x. After 6 years, age of Vijaya x plus 6 years. Her mother age is 4x plus 6. According to the problem, the sum of their ages is 62. So add the both of ages, that is equal x plus 6 plus 4x plus 6, that implies x plus 6 plus 4x plus 6, that is equal, add x plus 4x, that is 5x, add 6 and 6, that is 12. But it is given that the sum of their ages after 6 years is 62. Therefore, 5x plus 12 is equal 62. Transposing 12 to the right side of the equation, 5x is equal to 62 minus 12, that is 5x is equal to 50. Transposing 5 to the right side of the equation, that implies x is equal to 50 by 5. Here 50 is divisible by 5, then x is equal to 10. Therefore, present age of Vijaya is 10 years. Present age of Vijaya's mother is 4x, that is equal 4 into 10, that is equal 40 years. Example 9. There are 90 multiple choice questions in a test. 2 marks are awarded for every correct answer and 1 mark is deducted for every wrong answer. If Shahana got 60 marks in the test while she answered all the questions, then how many questions did she answer correctly? Solution. Suppose the number of correctly answered questions be x, then number of wrongly answered questions equal to 90 minus x. It is given that for every correct answer 2 marks are awarded. Therefore, number of marks secured for correct answers is equal to 2x. And it is given that for every wrongly answered questions 1 mark is deducted. Therefore, number of marks to be deducted from the score, that is equal 90 minus x into 1, that is equal 90 minus x. Total score. that is equal to 2x minus bracket 90 minus x, that is equal 2x minus 90 plus x, that is equal add 2x and x, 3x and minus 90, but it is given that total score is 60. Therefore 3x minus 90 is equal to 60. Minus 90, send it to right side of the equation, that is equal to 3x is equal to 60 plus 90. 3x is equal to 150. Transposing 3 to the right side of the equation, that is equal to 150 by 3. Here 150 is divisible by 3, we can get 50. Therefore number of questions answered correctly is x is equal to 50. Example 10. Ravi works as a cashier in a bank. He has currency of denominations 100 rupees, 50 rupees, 10 rupees respectively. The ratio of numbers of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Ravi is 4 lakh. How many notes of cash of each denomination does he have? Solution. Let the number of 100 rupees notes is equal to 2x. Number of 50 rupees notes is equal to 3x. And the number of 10 rupees notes is equal to 5x. Since the given ratio is 2:3:5. Therefore, total money is equal to 100 rupees notes multiple with 2x plus 50 rupees notes multiple with 3x plus 10 rupees notes multiple with 5x. Note that x is to 3x is to 5x is same as 2:3:5. 200x plus 150x plus 50x, that is equal to 400x. But according to the problem, the total money is 4 lakh. Therefore 400x is equal to 4 lakh. Transposing 400 to the right side of the equation, therefore x is equal to 4 lakh by 400. Here 4 lakh is divided by 400, we can get 1000. Therefore number of 100 rupees notes is equal to 2x, that is equal 2 into 1000, that is equal 2000. Number of 50 rupees notes is equal to 3x, that is equal 3 into 1000, that is equal 3000. Therefore number of 10 rupees notes is equal to 5x, that is equal to 5 into 1000, that is equal to 5000. Today home assignment is what I explained in this video. You can practice one time in rough notebook. We will discuss exercise 2 problems in the next video. Thank you.